Every real estate agent wonders if Zillow Premier Agent truly delivers on its promise of more leads and closed deals. First, understand that Zillow Premier Agent is essentially an advertising program, buying you impression share on Zillow's property listings within specific zip codes. Your profile appears prominently next to homes, positioning you as the go-to agent for inquiries on properties you don't even represent. The cost isn't fixed. It's a dynamic investment based on your chosen zip codes, the competition in those areas, and the percentage of lead impressions you aim to capture. Think of it as bidding for visibility, with more desirable areas demanding a higher monthly outlay, often ranging from hundreds to several thousands of dollars. Now, for returns, Premier Agent delivers a consistent flow of buyer leads. The real value, however, hinges entirely on your conversion rate. How many of those initial inquiries you can nurture into actual closed transactions. This requires impeccable follow-up, rapid response times, and strong client relationship skills. To assess its worth, calculate your potential ROI, tally your total investment over a period. Then estimate the gross commission income from the deals you attribute directly to Premier Agent leads. Compare these numbers. A positive return means the program is generating more revenue than it costs you. Key factors influencing success include your local market's competitiveness, the quality of leads Zillow provides in your specific area, and most critically, your personal ability to convert cold leads into warm clients. It's not a set-it-and-forget-it solution. Active engagement is paramount. Ultimately, Zillow Premier Agent can be a powerful lead generation tool for agents committed to rigorous follow-up and with a clear understanding of their numbers, transforming clicks into commissions.